So what's going on, you guys? Gio here, welcome back to the channel. So for today, we're on the way to Union, Los Angeles to check out the Off White raffle. So we're finally over here at Union, and unfortunately they don't have any more raffle tickets left, but let's check out the store. Right after Union we have Stussy, and after that we'll go to Undefeated. So if you guys didn't know, this is the mode of transportation over here in LA. They have this bird trolley. I think it's for 25 cents per mile or something like that. All I know is you need to have the app to operate this thing. Complex left something that said the words Nike Air Fear of God. And if you open it, there's nothing there, so maybe they left a pair of sneakers inside. So over here is like a vintage junk shop. It's pretty nice to take pictures in here, but I left my camera inside the car. So up next we have Undefeated. So let's check if they're doing raffles for the Off White Airforces. So over here they have the Vans Authentic checkerboard. This was Bianca's gift to me, if you guys remember our first vlog. So yeah, they have it here. So over here at Undefeated they also have the Carhartt Air Forces. That was the camel pair, and this is the khaki pair. So over here at Undefeated they also have the Justin Timberlake Jordan 3s sitting for retail. So they have it here for $250. So over here they also have the Chili Pepper Vans. They also have the blue pair and the white pair. So over at Undefeated they also have Baiting Ape. They have a lot of hoodies. So over here they also have the Cream Ultra Boost for $200. Make sure to check out Streetwear Hall on Instagram because we're selling it for retail. So up next we have Stone Island. They have a flagship store over here in LA, which is pretty big. So let's check out the collection. So over here is the colors that I actually like. They have cream. And over here is the black. Looking for cargo pants. they only have this in black. It's not really my type though. Has the patch over here, but it's not looking like a cop. So over here is the mustard section. It's very nice, but it's kind of too loud to be an everyday jacket. So over here they have a pair of cargo pants that's very nice, but unfortunately it's gray. I'm looking for a black one. If you're a fan of Stone Island, I'd suggest you to go visit their store over here in LA, because they have mostly all the colors and styles that you're looking for. So over here at Brea, we didn't have anything that we were looking for, so let's go on Melrose. So now we're parked here at Melrose. We actually have some stuff to sell to round to our cool kicks. So yeah, we'll see you guys there. So they have the pair that I'm actually looking for. So let's try to trade some stuff for it. They have my size. They have it for $900. Quality is very good. So the actual owner of the store actually designed this pair of sneakers right here. And over here they have the Fear of God basketball sneakers. Damn. How much?
$850. $900.
They have it for $900. So over here they have a pair of the unreleased Air Force Off Whites. They have it for $750. Damn. So they also have a pair of the Travis Scott Air Forces for $500. So over here is like the Off White wall. They have a lot of pairs of the UNC Jordan 1s. They also have the Converses and the Prestos. So they have the Off-White Chicago's for $2,300. Also the European exclusives. And a lot of the UNCs. Over there are some of the Grail box logos and some of the Supreme t-shirts. And over here are the crew necks that just released last week. So over here is the Jordan wall. If there's anything that catches your attention, let me know. I'll be doing pre-orders on my Instagram, which is Streetwear Haul. So make sure to give it a follow. They also have the Nike Diamond Dunks in white, also in black. And they have a lot of Nike SBs over here. Here they have these Spider-Man Jordan 1s that Bianca just picked up for me. So they have the pair that this kid's looking for. So unfortunately they don't have his size. But he's been looking for this for quite some time now. So over there they have the Peach box logo. They have Michael Jordan. They have a lot of Yeezys. Over here's where they buy stuff from walk-in customers. So Round 2 also has a vintage store. So if you guys didn't know, make sure to follow their Instagram. I'll leave it down below. So now we're walking to other stores such as Cool Kicks, so let's check it out. So up next we have Cool Kicks. Over here they have Bianca size. Should I pick him up? Leave a like if you think I should pick him up. So this is still a part of the other store earlier, but this is where they keep all the streetwear items like Supreme. This is the jacket I'm actually looking for. It's the poofy version. So we're actually withdrawing because we're planning to buy the Supreme items. So we're back here at the Cool because we just withdrew money. So we're actually copying some stuff. What's up? So there we have it.
Can I be in the Instagram? Huh? Can I be in this? Yeah. Sure.
So there you guys have it. We copped the North Face jacket and he copped the box logo. So shout out Cool Kicks. Have it. There's more Melrose vlogs. So we got the Supreme box logo hoodies and Supreme North Face. Yeah. Shout out Cool Kicks. So if you guys enjoyed this video, leave a like down below and comment down below who got a better come up, us or Cotis, because we negotiated our price. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. Peace. So right after shopping, we're going Shake Shack because we're hungry.